way. 'Cause I'm getting deeper in this thing each day. And I don't care or know what I would say. Things turn out the way I think they may. Maybe we're a slow train rolling. You keep on rolling, rolling on. Baby, we're a slow train rolling. You keep on rolling, rolling on. Things keep going slow, but right on time. It's kind of like an aging vintage wine. And every time I want her, she's just fine. I feel so blessed to know that you are mine.